Alright, just wanted to show you the the aftermath of Tropical Storm Emily here. That guy's making all kinds of racket over there. He's got beer kegs clashing around. Alright, anyway, as you can see, the weather here is really, really terrible. So we had pretty much no wind that I could tell. You know, just didn't see anything blowing by or to hear any wind outside in the trees or anything like that. And thankfully this is our weather here today. So we got by the Tropical Storm Emily without a hitch, except for Sunday, which was rainiest day I remember in a long, long time. And the weather's perfect. There's a little bit of a breeze. It's warm, but it's not uncomfortably warm, which is nice. It's probably 86 out here right now. I know that sounds really hot, but it doesn't feel that bad. We'll check out what the beach looks like over here at Palm Pavilion. Thanks, Kathy. Yeah, it's great out here. Somebody emptying the trash. That's nice. There's actually a decent number of people out here yesterday, even though the news was saying we had the storm coming through. I think Clear Sky is open, but they've got people in there working right now, probably just cleaning it up. There's the guys putting the umbrellas up out there. Alright guys, well, if you're worried about the storm and what happened here, we got through it just fine, so that's awesome news, as it always is. That's our update. I will check back in with you later.